Hello. I went to an estate sale today. My friend Barb told me about it. So we went there today. Since it's Sunday, everything was half price. And it was an estate sale outfit running it, but they were really nice. And all their stuff was priced normal. Wow. So everything was half price. So everything I got was $50, including I got 2 twin-size down comforters and 2 duvets included in that I'm washing. I don't need to show them, but they're twin size for the beach house. That's how I like to get them, is that it was an estate sale in a really nice area, so I know there's no problems with them. So they're being washed right now, so that's included in my haul. But this Mr. Retros item, this is a really cool. Did you plug it in?
Yeah.
Really cool timer. The man loves his timers.
Yeah, that's a cool.
Yeah, he got the other Bakelite timer fixed. The clock and everything works perfect.
Really cool.
So this is $250, and it also has an outlet, which is really nice.
Yeah,
We need one that we can put on the counter in the kitchen down there for the outside lights. So this is really nice.
That looks retro.
Yeah, it's got to be, and it's International Register. Oh, they're the ones that made cash registers. Intermatic Time All.
Intermatic, right. They've made timers forever.
Yeah.
Intermatic.
Yeah, International Register, Chicago. So that's pretty good for $250. Nice. Yeah. Did good on these dollies that I did. You know, it's funny, the Christmas stuff's always in the basement.
Yeah.
So I head down to the basement. All right, where's your Christmas stuff? This is really neat. Look at his face. This looks like it was made in Japan. And he's got like silk mittens. And a little silk knit face. See, and it's all hand done. This is some kind of like troll hair. What is that, alpaca or something? Yeah. And he's really cute though. He's got booties. He's missing the soles of his shoes, but I can do that. And I think he's wired. Yeah, he's wired so you can get him to stand upright. You see, he's like, hoo, hoo, hoo. That's how he should be standing. There. Oh, he's super cute. So I think he was $5. Worth every penny, too. Hoo, hoo. And let's see. Oh, I got this. I think this was, she needs some restringing. It's a tiny Patsy. And I don't know if that's her right body or not. Maybe not. She needs some help, but she's really, really cute. I think she was $2. Yeah, I think
maybe a Cupid body.
No, I think it's a repro body. It's missing a ball. I can just put a wooden ball there. Yeah, there's supposed to be a ball here, so her head isn't wonked out like that. But oh gosh, she's cute, and I think I have patterns for her. Super duper cute. $2. This is Mr. Retro's item. I think that was a quarter.
Bam.
Bam, yeah. And let's see.
You don't have to show that stuff.
I know what's in here. I'm going to show it. This is some other Metro. I think this was all a quarter. Oh, those are not. We can use these for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we can use these too. He got some glue too.
Oh, yeah.
And the blades. Oh, yeah. These are good. Are these? Yeah.
Oh, darn, I left that one downstairs. It was Bright Boy.
So
Those are
that's,
just
yeah, it's
razor
just
blades.
just razor blades. I'm going to use them to work on those jealousy windows down at the beach. And let's see if I can get this baby out of here.
Which are louvered trailer windows.
Yeah, they're those. This outfit doesn't really do much for me. This is a Horseman baby doll. I think he was $5 or $10. I don't remember. But he's good. He's in nice shape. He's marked Horseman. His body's pretty good. He's got some surface cracks, and his eyes just need a little cleaning. He's got nice eyes. But he's really, really cute. I don't like that outfit, but he's very cute. It looks like somebody touched up his lips. And I got this cute guy. I really like these kind of dolls. He was $2. He's like a
Camel Kid.
No, he's a oh gosh, it's marked there. He's a googly eye doll. Googly. That's something poking me here. Oh, he's got pins holding his britches on. That's Not cool. And he's got a jointed, like a little jointed body, and he's getting hate. Oh gosh, he's cute. He's a farmer. So, $2. And I got the stand, so I like him a lot. Oh, he looks cute with Patsy. And oh, Mr. Retro's got this. Bam! Quarter. We actually need this down at the beach house. And oh, here's another one of these. Wait, you scored on those.
I could have gotten more, but
There was only one of these. I love these mercury glass Christmas beads. There was just one of them. But I think this was 50 cents or something. Yay. Oh, I think it's got those cerise ones too. And let's see. And my favoriteest thing I got, well, no, I got another one. This is actually my favorite thing. She was $10. This is Poor Pitiful Pearl, and it's this, oh, what is she, 11, 12-inch size. So she was $10. She doesn't have any shoes, but I think I have some shoes for her. And I think she's made by Brooklyn Creations, and that might be her real dress. I had one of these bigger ones when I was very little. So I like her. Yeah, she's got a little ripped. That's okay, I'm going to keep her. She's got a little tear in her joint. But that's it. For $10, that's cool. And she's got her nice hair and everything. There, and this. This one's all in pink. I'm shattered! This is a really cute bee. I think he was $5 or $10.
that's me all over.
Oh wait, here's his legs. Yeah, that's me over there too.
And some over there.
Yeah, and that's over me too. It's a cameo. Cupie.
You all over.
You're all over the place, Cupie. Let's get this off. This outfit's kind of yucky. Oh, he's very cute. So he's 60s. He just needs some elastic, and he'll be good. Oh, he's a cute guy. Yeah. Yeah, I know. So that's what I got at that sale, and the comforters. And I was just going to show you, I sent off most of my convention purses. These ones I'm doing for my shop. But I sent everything else off to go to Kansas City, end of the month. And these are just some paintings I did maybe to put at the beach house. I don't know if I like them or not. They're just knockoffs of Elgato. I like this sea monkey. I do like the sea monkey a lot. And this one is... Oh, and these are dollar store frames. See, they're just dollar store frames. They look pretty good. And the canvases I got at dollar store as well. So, and then this one is just... I just thought mermaids might be cute down there. I don't know. I'll try them. If I don't, I'll donate them or something. And then I got these space ones. And this one. Space Girl, Space Needle, and she's like Space Martian Girl. So that's what I got going on. I'm headed down south tomorrow. So I will see you later. Bye-bye.